The islands. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. The islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea, which are near the Indian mainland, are part of India. There are two groups of islands. They are 1. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, 2. The Lakshadweep Islands. Vivekananda Rock. 1. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. A group of 300 islands constitute the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. Only some of these islands have been inhabited by man and most of them still remain unexplored. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair. Port Blair. The northern islands are called as Andaman Islands and the southern islands are called the Nicobar Islands. They form a union territory of India. Many primitive tribes also inhabit these islands. They still live in deep forests and rarely contact the modern people of today. The only active volcano of India is also located here in the barren island. The main crops grown here are rice, coconut, mango, rubber, and tea. Indira Point is the southernmost point of these islands. 2. Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands are a group of 36 small islands in the Arabian Sea. These islands are small in size and are flat and sandy. Only a few of these islands have been inhabited by man. They are close to the Malabar coast. The Lakshadweep Islands are an archipelago consisting of atolls, reefs, and submerged banks. These islands are of coral origin. Coral is made by tiny sea creatures called polyps. Such islands are called coral islands. When polyps die, their skeletons turn into large masses of white limestone. Therefore, the land found in Lakshadweep Islands is white. Coconut is the main crop grown here. Fishing is the main occupation of the people. These islands also form a union territory of India. Their headquarters is at Karavati, Lakshadweep Islands. Let's remember, a plain is a broad, flat area of land with less height and a gentle slope. Coastal plains of India is divided into two parts, Eastern Coastal Plain and Western Coastal Plain. The Eastern Coastal Plain is wider than the Western Coastal Plain. Chennai and Visakhapatnam are two important ports of Eastern Coastal Plain. India has two groups of islands, known as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. World's treasure, lagoon, saltwater lake separated from the open sea by sandbanks. Port, an area where ships stop to let goods and passengers on and off. Island, a piece of land surrounded by water. Volcano, a mountain with a hole at the top through which lava comes out. Coast, a land near the sea. Gulf, a narrow part of the sea which enters the land. Corals, a small sea creature that lives in large groups. Bay, an open curve made by the sea into the land.